Be a factor here. Good body shot again.
Oo,
Sa katawan.
mukhang mabigat yung mga suntok ni Pinili. Pero si Mansito is not going anywhere, Pao. Mansito.
Yung mga uppercuts.
Yes! Good count.
Ladies and gentlemen, Eduardo Mansito. Ladies and gentlemen, Romel, the chosen one, Pinili.
Pinili, lahat ng kanyang mga losses were abroad. Lahat ng kanyang mga laban dito sa Pilipinas, panalo. So, itong dalawang boksingero na ito, sabihin na natin mga journeyman, maraming
Look at those blows. First round, no peeling out, throwing out heavy bombs right away. Itong dalawang boksingero.
Alam mo kung bakit, Pao? Bakit walang feeling out? Kasi these two fighters are 10 and 12 rounders na. And they are fighting 8 rounds lang. So, maikli itong 8 rounds para sa kanilang own stamina based on their experience. So, talagang first round pa lang, wala nang pakiramdaman. Diretso sa action.
Okay? Parang in volume. From 1 to 10 agad, wala nang daan sa 2-3. Talagang bitaw agad. And really, both of them kind of going for to the body. Oh! What a great counter!
Tinamaan si Mansito doon. Outbalance si Mansito. Muntik na siyang ma-knockdown. Buti na lang hindi nag-touch yung kanyang dalawang gloves sa lona. Pero mukhang na-timingan siya doon ni Pinili. Pinili looking like the bigger fighter inside that ring, Paulo. How about you?
Right. He perfectly said, no, mas matangkad siya, mas malaki siya, and he is choosing the right punches, including that counter. But the heavy blows pa rin, gumaganti pa rin si Mansito. They're going to the body, it looks like. Kanina pa nila sinusubukan.
Both of them actually, no? Si Mansito and also si Pinili. Oh, wow. What a good jab straight by Mansito. And mukhang
Good.
this is another 50-50 fight, Pao. Ito na naman yung sinasabi natin, hindi mo mahuhulaan sino ang mananalo dito sa laban na ito. Pareho silang quality fighters.
Yan ang gusto natin makikita. Of course, if you're enjoying sa mga nanonood po sa ating social media, please share, like, and comment. Let us know what you think of the fight. Combination, 4-5 kombinasyon yun kay Edward Mansito. Mga condition talaga. And look at those. Again, follow up.
Tingin ko, Paolo, mas masipag si Mansito. Mas masipag si Mansito dito sa first round. Pinili is a little bit surprised, no? Na yung isang mas maliit sa kanya, mas
Manalo din. Round number 2.
Ito talaga.
Si Pinili actually on the kind of edge of a crossroad.
Yes.
Dalawang magkasunod na talo.
Yes.
He needs this win.
Yes. That's why he was matched up with a guy like Mansito to test his resolve. Kung talaga bang he still wants to continue being the contender that he was, no? At tingnan mo, tinutulak ni Pinili si Mansito. Alam mo, tactic din dyan, Pao, eh. Medyo nakakapagod yan, Pao. Sasakyan ka. Especially, mas mabigat siya. Sasakyan niya si Mansito. Now, he's trying to bully Mansito. He's trying to show his size. Mansito showing his quickness. Pero Pinili, the heavier punches from Pinili, but the volume going to Mansito.
He's trying to out-veteran the veteran. I don't know how long he's gonna do that. See here, Pinili. Ooh, good counter jab. Para dito kay Mansito. Oops! One thing na aabangan natin to dahil nga malalakas ang bitawan nila. This is 8 rounds. stamina, condition will be a factor here. Good body shot again.
Oo,
Kita sa katawan.
mukhang mabigat yung mga suntok ni Pinili.
Ah,
Pero si Mansito is not going anywhere, Pau. Mansito,
Yung mga uppercuts.
yes! Good counter by Pinili. But, good uppercut again by Mansito. Palitan ng suntok.
A fan-friendly fight. This
Yes.
is what we want to see.
Yes.
True lean. Bugbugan talaga. Ang
Yes.
dito.
Pasalamat tayo sa Solid North Sports Promotions. Pasalamat tayo sa Solid North Party List. Salamat tayo, Congressman J.B. Bernos, for bringing this kind of show dito sa Abra. And, syempre, naka-livestream ito sa buong mundo through the Facebook page of Solid North Party List. So, ito, lahat ng mga tao sa buong mundo nakakapanood nito. Nag-e-enjoy din sila kahit wala sila sa Abra.
Let us know where you guys are from watching this. Itong Pinili versus Mansito. Mansito, maganda yung kanyang mga inside uppercuts. See? Good jab. Good counter for Pinili here.
Ito, very tricky round to score. Kasi si Pinili has the heavier punches, but Mansito has the volume. So titingnan mo ngayon paano i-appreciate ng mga judges natin yung ganyang klase ng dynamics dito sa round na ito.
The appreciation of the judges, medyo mahirap, but the appreciation of the fans seeing this kind of fight as we end the round. Dyan sa mga nanonood sa mga. Salamat po sa lahat ng nanonood. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Starting with power shots. Uy,
Yung left hook na haribas, yung left hook na haribas ni Mansito, yun ang kanyang, sabihin na natin, surprise punch. Pero si Pinili staying in his fundamentals. Alam mo naman ang fundamentals sa boxing, Pau.
Uy, oh no.
Oh no, sana walang injury si Mansito.
He looks like he got injured with that right hand. Nag-tweak siguro, but
Oh, pero bumalik Pau. Mansito is not,
let's see. Still, medyo binibigyan na din ng konti.
yeah, but I think
That's the thing to watch right now.
oo, mukhang nagbago yung kulay dito sa laban na ito. Nagkaroon ng konting glitch doon sa lower body nitong si Mansito. Tingnan natin how that develops. Kung makaka-apekto. O makaka-apekto ba yan sa laban at bumubomba na ng malakas si Pinili ngayon. Alam natin si Pinili is a knockout artist. 8 wins, 7 knockouts.
Yeah, trying to take advantage of the possible injury of Mansito. Mansito now is a veteran. He's gonna try to outwit. Tignan natin dito.
Oo, bumabalik sa jab si Mansito and bumabalik si...
Medyo may talaga.
Meron-
There's a little bit of problem sa legs. Napaluhod siya doon. Even though it's not a knockdown, it's a telltale sign now.
Mukhang sa tingin ko Pau mukhang nakikita mo dito yung size difference kasi yung suntok ni Mansito kahit malakas, kahit salubong, kagaya nun, kayang-kayang kainin ni Pinili.
Pero you can only eat too much, attorney.
Exactly.
Getting those punches, tingnan natin.
Exactly.
Lalabas yung tibay. Tsaka syempre yung durability mo, bumababa as you go around. But the legs, I'm really concerned. This could change the fight.
Yes. Kanina, medyo upper hand si Mansito because of that apparent leg injury na pinakita niya kanina. Medyo umika siya ng a few seconds. Medyo nabuhayan ng loob tong si Pinili. Si Pinili na bumobomba ng suntok niya. Ngayon si Mansito is trying to come back with his jabs.
Head, to the legs.
Yung left hook talaga ni Mansito na overhand left, medyo yun yung tumatama right to the body by Mansito, Pau. And both of these fighters, again, the two veterans, alam nila paano manalo, alam nila paano lumaban.
Yung left hook na naman tumatawag.
Yes.
Atake dito ni Pinili. Trying to choose his punches.
Pero magandang patama sa katawan ni Mansito doon pa sa sequence na yon. Another very close round in the middle of Bangue, the capital of the province of Abra. And this gym is called Governor Andres Bernos Gymnasium. At dito ang malalaking mga sports events.
MPBL was here.
Yes, big sports events were held here. At nandito tayo ngayon. Nandito tayo sa venue ng mga big events. And now, Mansito and Pinili showing you na they deserve to be here.
Right, big events, big fights, such as this. Big guys inside the ring. Tingnan natin ano pakita nila. Round number 4.
Yes.
Si Pinili ang medyo naging
Yes.
Si Mansito.
Wide yung mga suntok ni Mansito, while si Pinili is more of the straight puncher. But Mansito is more of the volume puncher. Mansito, even smaller, but the spirit, the fighting spirit is not lacking. Oh wow. Left to the body by Pinili. Counter left hook by Mansito. But now, Pinili again, nanggugulang eh. Ibig sabihin,
Ginugulangan niya yung matanda.
hindi, ginugulangan niya yung maliit.
Oo.
Kasi alam niyang maliit si Mansito.
Good job.
But Mansito, ano yan eh, magulang din yan eh.
Pero nakipapansin ko dito, attorney, medyo nagiging mas aggressive itong si Pinili, trying to engage the attack.
Exactly.
Yung mga ngayon dito.
Exactly. Mansito eating that right straight by Pinili na parang nung kinain ni Mansito yung straight, sabi niya, may ulam ba yan? Wow! Nagkatamaan, parehong left hook yun. Left hook from Pinili, left hook from Mansito, another left hook from Pinili. The heavier punches comes from Pinili, but Mansito showing you the volume of punches of what he calls the nightmare Eduardo Mansito.
Ang ganda ng bukot sa katawan, ang ganda ng bukot ni Pinili, pero bumabalik tayo, no? Yung mga ganong klase suntok na medyo out of nowhere, haymaker.
Yes.
Pag nakatama ng solid, just like that, what an uppercut, man!
Ang ganda ng uppercut na yun. Kanina pa kumukonekta para kay Mansito. Yun yan, no? Yung right uppercut na yan, hindi na check ni Pinili. Mansito being the shorter guy, nasisiksik niya yung sarili niya sa ilalim. Pero ang body shot na naman ni Pinili, pero hindi niinda ni Mansito. Grabe itong laban na ito, Pao.
Ang unang binigay sa tingin ko na lang sa tingin ng mga patama nila dead sa clapper. Ang uppercut ba o ang mga hook ni Pinili? Sino ang unang makakasakit sa kalaban?
Another close round. Another close round. You cannot concentrate on one kind of punch. I think both are working. In fact, yung left hook niya is also working. So, may jab din si Mansito. And now Mansito doesn't want the distance. Kasi pag tinutulak ni Pinili si Mansito. But Mansito doesn't mind. Tumama na naman ng right uppercut si Mansito. Pero ngayon, medyo nababantayan na ni Pinili yung uppercut. Babaguhin na naman ni Mansito. Pero si Pinili throwing the heavier leather. Pero Mansito, grabe ang fighting spirit talaga nitong Mansito. And ito, round number 5 na tayo. Hindi ko pa rin alam sinong lamang.
I think, Pinili needs to be worried about that uppercut. Kanina pa siya tinatamaan ng paulit-ulit na uppercut. So, he needs to worry about that. Puros uppercut na paulit-ulit, pero body shot.
Oo, medyo nasangga ni Mansito yung mga body shots na yon. And Mansito, I think Mansito, kahit na smaller siya, yung kanyang reach is not that short. Medyo mahaba ang reach niya, kaya yung mga hooks niya nakakaabot kay Pinili eh.
Sanay naman yun si Mansito, lumaban ng malalaki.
Yes, kasi nga, sanay nga siyang lumaban sa abroad, Pao. And Mansito, remember, yung mga talo niya na knockout are all from abroad. Japan, Dubai, Mexico. Grabe itong si Mansito, journeyman.
He really needs to worry about his defense na counter siya dito. He's being aggressive. Counter siya. He's risking, he's being aggressive but he's risking the counter shot. Yan na naman. Uy! Medyo na-excite si Pinili. He's pushed down and throw the punches.
Yes, medyo bawal yun ha. And our referee, bawal talaga. And then our referee is on top of it, no? Referee Oliver Garcia, one of our top referees in the Philippines right now. I'm a referee also. Oliver Garcia is doing a great job, but the two fighters are doing the greatest job in this particular ring. Talagang pinapasaya nila itong mga nanonood dito sa Abra.
This is now a battle of attrition.
Yes.
Paubusan na talaga sila. Lahat ng sandok binibigay nila, tinatanggap nila. Sino kaya ang unang bibigay sa dalawa?
At saka Pao, wala nang mahinang suntok, wala na ako nakikitang jab. Puro na malalakas na suntok. Yung kanilang intention is really to hurt or even to knock out the opponent. Grabe Pao. Last 10 seconds of our fifth round. Fifth round is over. Welcome din nila ako. And you're an asset to the boxing community. Stay in boxing, Mr. Pauka Sports.
Salamat, sir. Ito na. Ito. They should stay in front of each other. And it looks like ayun na mangyayari. Ito na. Pinili again being aggressive here at the start. No?
Pinili wants to show his power.
Medyo talagang he has been doing that for a number of times.
Medyo, may warning na yung referee doon. Medyo parang may hindi nagulang yun. talagang foul na yun.
Oh, okay.
Mukhang ito mga experienced fighters Pao. Kaya masasabi ko, kumbaga kung gugulangan ka, gulangan mo rin. No? Yes.
This is the best job in the world. You know, I don't have to worry about the score.
Yes.
I'm just talking, I'm just expressing your feeling. But watching it in front,
Yes.
ito ang pinakamalapit. Oh my gosh.
The best seat in the house, Pao, is here. And enjoy yung ating mga fans, even our VIPs dito, yung mga sumusuporta sa Philippine boxing na talagang nagsakripisyo para tayo ay papuntahin dito. Tuwan-tuwa sa show na ito, tuwan-tuwa sa aksyon, tuwan-tuwa sa bugbugan, sa Abra, tapatan ng mga kampiyon.
We're very happy again. Salamat po sa lahat. Dito, I hope you're enjoying this hymning as we do. Just like these two boxers, mukhang talagang nagkakabugbugan, katibayan.
Mukhang yung dalawang boksingero, Pao, is now really fighting on talagang instinct na. Kasi hindi na nila, kumbaga, they left their strategy out of the window. Basta suntok na lang ng suntok. Wala nang pili. Kahit pinili yung apelido niya, hindi na niya pinipili yung kanyang suntok. Basta aggressive siya. Aggressive din si Mansito.
Yes. Sabi ko nga, ubusan na to.
Oh, and remember,
Kasi maubos.
and Pao, remember, nag-alala tayo nung early rounds kasi parang third round ba yun na medyo nasaktan sa paa si Mansito. It seems na nawala na. He shook it off. Yeah, he shook it off. And that's a mark of really a Filipino brave fighter. Medyo maraming beses na mukhang yung referee na ito ay tumitingin na dito kay Pinili. Baka matindi na yung mga warning mamaya.
I can hear that.
Oh yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah! Yun lang ang masasabi mo, Pao Salud. Oh yeah! Ako rin.
Sometimes kasi you cannot express
Yes,
you have to
exactly.
express it through feeling.
Exactly.
All I can say is, ooh, yeah.
Exactly. Ako, masasabi ko, Pao, yung mga judges natin, sumasakit na ang ulo. Yung mga judges natin, sumasakit na ang mata. Kasi kailangan maghanap sila ng a little bit of advantage each of these fighters. Kasi pagka ikaw ay nagja-judge, kahit close round yan, makikita at makikita mo yung maliit advantage. And that will spell the difference whether you will give the round to boxer A or you will give the round to boxer B. Now, Pao, start of our 7th round, medyo 2 round na lang, Pao. Grabe itong laban na ito. Walang puknat. Ang haba ng round, puro suntukan, puro bugbugan.
Ito yung round na I think, if they have a strategy dito, hindi natin alam kung sino lamang masyado. They would have to really go for it. Yan na naman, uy.
Medyo yumuyuko din kasi
Oo. Hindi masyado yung muko.
yumuyuko din kasi actually yung pagyuko, Pao, is a sign of defense. So pag sobrang yuko naman, medyo bawal yun. Kaya pagka tinulak ka, syempre it's a sign of defense also. Kaya mahirap yan eh. Kanya-kanyang gulangan na yan eh. Medyo kanya-kanyang gulangan na yan. Kanya-kanyang gulangan na yan.
The aggression of
Yes.
You can see it.
Yes.
Pero
Yes.
si Mansito.
Mansito comes back. Pinili was aggressive, but Mansito is a relentless customer.
Yes, sir. What an exciting bout. If you're not enjoying this, I don't know what else can we give you to enjoy. Hopefully this converts you to a boxing fan. Lalo na sa Solid North Sports, no?
Yes.
Baka first time makapanood ng boxing. I hope this turns you to a boxing fan like us.
Yes, exactly. And all Solid North followers na medyo hindi pa mahilig sa boxing, halina kayo. Kailangan namin kayo. Kailangan namin ang mga Solid North followers na mag-follow na rin sa boxing. Ganito po ang boxing sa Pilipinas. Ganito po ang quality at ganito po ang bugbugan. At ang bugbugan nandito ngayon sa Abra, Mr. Pao Salud.
I just wanted to say, some people look at this as violence, disciplined boxing. After this, these are all gentlemen, these are all professional. And let me remind you, while we love other sports, boxing can take us all the way to the top, to the highest of boxing.
Exactly.
Pwede pa.
Exactly. Boxing is our only chance for world championship. And nakita na natin yan. Napakarami nating world champion. Ngayon, 2. Hindi pa tayo nauubusan ng world champion. Each time, no, palagi tayong may world champion. Bakit? Ito ang sport ng Pilipino. Kaya ang Solid North Promotions at ang Solid North Party List sumuporta sa Philippine boxing. And ito si Mansito and Pinili giving each other hell.
Yes, sir. Exactly how you explain this. And again, round number 7, Pinili has one direction, forward against Mansito.
Yes. 10 seconds at isang round na lang pagkatapos nito, Pao. Parang hindi nauubusan tong dalawang to. Grabe itong dalawang to. Tingnan mo, nagugulangan na. Mainit na.
Alam ko kung sino lamang.
Sino?
Alamang mga fans because this is
Yan.
so good. And
Yan.
Stop. Round number 8 could be critical.
Yes, it is a critical round. Mukhang
This is where you throw everything,
Yes.
literally.
ito, Pao, sa tingin ko kahit sinong manalo sa laban na ito, sa tingin ko, may parang, parang close yung fight eh.
Well, it is indeed close.
Kasi palitan yan, tingnan mo, palitan eh. Kinatamaan si Mansito, tinatamaan si Pinili.
Nakakatama. It now depends on the appreciation of the judge. At alam mo, marami nakaka-appreciate nito gaya na nanonood sa atin ang ating WBC Minimum World Champion Major Jerusalem Shara. Who do you think is winning this fight, Melvin?
Oy, Melvin. Relax ka lang dyan, Melvin, at may main event fight ka pa sa October 29. And salute to you and shout out to you. Melvin, itong mga boksingero nasa taas, nangangarap ito na makuha kung anong meron ka. Kaya ikaw ay isang inspirasyon. Good job and good luck also to your next fight, Melvin.
Alright, na alam mo, natanggap nila yung best punches of each other. Looks like baka wala nang bumaksak, pero tingnan natin,
Pero grabe. Kaya masasabi ko nga sa iyo Mansito has never been knocked out in the Philippines. Pinili has never lost in the Philippines. These guys are, kumbaga, Philippine warriors.
Oh, is knockdown.
Oh, it was called a knockdown.
That is a
What a
knockdown.
call. It's a critical call.
That would
Malaking,
Change
yes.
the result.
Malaking bagay yung tawag na yon.
Last round.
Malaking bagay yung tawag na yon.
And Pinili doubling up on that.
Yes. Mukhang nasaktan si Mansito doon kasi mukhang nasa baba siya on his way down. Tinamaan pa siya ni Pinili. So this is now an interesting fight.
That is a critical moment.
Critical moment yun. Last round na.
Left hook, nakatama.
Yes, left hook. Nakatama si Mansito doon. Nakabalik siya pero, Pao, if nothing happens here, nothing dramatic happens here, this is an 10-8 round in favor of Pinili. That's a painful fact. Yes. Medyo critical moment ito, Pao.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Wow.
You know, I'm gonna say this, no? And I'm just saying this as subjective.
Rounds of boxing.
If this
We go to the scorecards. Hilco scores about 76-75. Antonio Comia scores about 76-75. Alpi Jocosol scores about 78-73. All to the winner by unanimous decision, Romero P.